www.aragdolltolove.com. These are Chloe's last two remaining kittens. This is kitten number 1. He is a seal sepia, and he is mitted with a blaze. He is very cute. He is actually my favorite color. He is available. Buddy. This is Chloe's kitten number 7. He is also a male, so the last two remaining are boys. He is a seal mink. He is also mitted with a blaze. If you're interested in either of these kittens, you can contact Lori at 717-856-4338 or email her at aragdolltolove@yahoo.com.